Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is a recipe from my brand new book Chetna's Indian Feasts. I am going for a delicious salad as many of you requested that. One of my favorite vegetables, I'm using some cauliflower. So I'm making a roasted cauliflower salad. It could not be simpler, but it is full of flavor and absolutely delicious. So I'm going to get started. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and let's get going. So I just need to start off. I've got the oven nice and hot at 200 C or 180 fan, and I've got one red onion and a cauliflower. I must take it out of the fridge. So I'm going to use the leaves as well and just chop the cauliflower into florets first. Once the cauliflower is ready, the red onions just go in chunks. So really keeping things simple for myself. Just the good seasoning. So a teaspoon of chili powder goes in, around half to 3/4 teaspoon salt, and a teaspoon of chaat masala, and 4 tablespoons of oil of your choice. I'm using some rapeseed oil. All that's left to do is mix. It smells so good. Now I'm going to put this in for around total of 30 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I'm just going to shake it all up a little bit, move the cauliflower around, and then give it another 10 minutes. So while the cauliflower is roasting nicely, I'm going to prepare the simplest dressing so it's ready when the cauliflower is out. In goes 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, a little bit of fresh black pepper, a little pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of honey. This is just some local honey I have got. And now just whisk this up. So the cauliflower is ready, and now I'm going to get a pan, and then I've got some peanuts, so I need a couple of tablespoons. I like it a bit more, so just a handful of peanuts. You can use blanched ones, but I'm using the ones with the skin. I'm just going to dry roast this for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and golden and you get that lovely smoky flavor. So while the peanuts are just dry roasting, I am going to prep some spring onions. I've got 4 lovely fresh spring onions and I'm just going to finely chop them up. It's strange because when I started filming this recipe only a few minutes ago, it was nice and sunny, and now it's chucking it down outside. So we're having a lovely summery day. So it's a bit too thick, so I'm just going to cut it in half. Once these are dry roasted, I'm just going to crush them in this pestle and mortar. And I'm also going to chop up a handful of fresh coriander. Right, in goes the cauliflower, onions. It smells really good. Next, the spring onions and the coriander, the crushed peanuts, and the dressing. All that's left to do is mix it up. Just that bit of roasting the cauliflower. This smells so lovely and fresh. And it's as simple as that. It just kind of is so fresh and very kind of deep in flavor because of the roasted cauliflower. Enough talking, now I need to eat it. That is so good. That is beautiful. That is unlike any other salads I've made on the YouTube channel. This is the beauty of the book. There are different chapters. This is part of the feast for 2 chapters, and I really hope that you will give this a go. You'll check out the book, details of the book in the description, and hope you'll enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you back very soon. You could serve this with some roast chicken. You could serve this with a nice curry on the side, some nice pasta on the side. This is beautiful with anything you want to eat it with. Absolutely delicious.